Ever feel like managing real estate deals is a juggling act? Today, we're diving into how to conquer transaction chaos by integrating Cinc with Dotloop. This powerful combination unlocks efficient looping, boosting your productivity and keeping everything crystal clear. First, ensure you have active accounts with both Cinc and Dotloop. Next, let's head into Dotloop. You'll need to navigate to the Integrations section, usually found within your profile settings or a general settings panel in Dotloop. Look for the Cinc integration option. Click to enable it. Following the on-screen prompts, you'll likely be asked to authenticate your Cinc account. Now, let's flip over to Cinc. Inside your Cinc dashboard, find the area managing your transactions. You'll identify the transaction you want to manage. It might be under Deals, Transactions, or a similar label, depending on how Cinc is set up within that specific transaction you seek to integrate. Look for a Connect to Dotloop or Integrate option, which could be inside the transaction details. Once the integration is successful, information magically flows between systems. Contact info, transaction details, and documents can synchronize. You'll be able to create loops directly from Cinc, automatically populating them with relevant information. This streamlined process means less data entry and fewer errors. As you move forward, the loop in Dotloop will be updated in real time through the linked Cinc account, and vice versa. Your clients will have easy access to their document sharing from Dotloop. Communication and document sharing become seamless. This integration drastically improves visibility into your transactions and reduces the risk of missed deadlines. Embrace the power of Cinc and Dotloop integration for a smoother, faster, and more collaborative real estate experience. Like and subscribe for more real estate tech tips.